hello, 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 hello. Hello, I'm Tanya. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a marble photo backdrop for less than $5. Check it out.
To create this super easy and super inexpensive photo backdrop, you'll need poster board or foam board, Mac tack or covert liner, and a pair of scissors. To start, simply measure out your Mac tack against the foam board to see how much you'll need. You can use the lines on the back to cut straight lines and to figure out exactly how much you're going to need. I'm pretty much using the whole sheet, so I'm not going to bother with the lines on the back. Once you know how much you need, roll it back up into its original rolly form. This will make it easier to lay out. Then remove a small amount of the backing move it out of the way, and place that small amount of adhesive paper onto your foam backdrop. I ended up getting a whole bunch of wrinkles in mine, but if you're careful and gentle, you can slowly pull away the Mac tack and place it back down wrinkle-free. Once that first part is in place wrinkle-free, grab the backing and gently pull it away, and using your hand to smooth out the rest of the Mac tack. Only pull out a small amount at a time so that you're able to smooth it out without any wrinkles. Don't worry about keeping it straight on the foam board. We're going to cut those ends off so you don't have to worry about it. Once you get to the end, use your scissors and cut off any excess. Now simply flip it over and fold in the excess over the edges. To keep the corners nice and sharp, I just cut a little slit so that this would fold up nicely. Now that this looks like a marble slab, you're free to keep these white lines. I just chose to cut them off to avoid them getting dirty. And there you have it, a marble backdrop.
Thank you so much to anybody out there watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you end up using this idea for a photo backdrop, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!